All right, so we've finished our initial explosion file. And if we want to put our drawing into, or our image of that into our drawing file, we would hit base view. And I notice that I'm looking at my presentation file, but the view is not what I want. And if I come to views, I don't have any other choices. So what I can do is cancel, not bring that in. And instead, I can come in here and I can change the view. So for one thing, I could advance to the end of my presentation file. And here's a quality presentation file. And then if I do a new snapshot view, watch over here on the side, new snapshot view. Here's a new view. It's called view 4. Maybe I'll say for cover page. And this can be my new snapshot view that's for the cover page. So then if I go to my drawing file and I go to bring in a view, now notice it says the for cover page view, and I could have gone to my other view instead. And I'll probably make that 1-to-1 scale to fit nice and clean, and that's a good setup. And it's already shaded up here, or you can toggle that to make sure it gets shaded. Next, I wanted to show how you could do some advanced presentation skills. And so let's go ahead and create another new presentation file. Let's bring in our basic assembly. And I want to show you that you can do all of your selections over here. So for example, I can bring this blue part off from over here. I can click on it here. I can just do right click on it. And when I do that, I can do, I can open the part file and things, but I don't want to do that. But it's just select it, and I'm going to do tweak components. And then I could bring it this way or this way. And I'm going to say I want to take that. It went to the purple part there, so I'm going to go back to the blue part. And then I'm going to say tweak components, click the direction correctly. I hit 2, it goes out that far. Good. And then I look at my tweaks, and there's that tweak. And then I can bring off my other parts however I want. I can select them again, either in here or the other way. But let's say now I want to bring both this yellow part and this blue part down at the same time. So I could click on the yellow part and then hold Control, click on the blue part, do tweak components, choose the vertical direction, and I could say -2, and now they both moved down together, which is kind of interesting. And then let's say I wanted to rotate one or both of them. So let's say just the blue part, I want to rotate it. I click on it to select it, do tweak components, and instead of a move, I could do a rotate. And I can choose to rotate it around a certain axis at a certain angle. And I can say how far I want it to rotate. And so notice it's a cumulative here. So it's more than 360 degrees. Maybe we say 720, which would be 2 full rotations. Now, if I come and I play my explosion, it's going to show me all of this. And one thing I want you to show you is this down here. If you expand this up, you can see that these things are ordered in time, and that things that are happening at the same time are going to show up on top of each other, and they're going to have like a grouping symbol of these multiple things together, whereas things that are happening individually will show separately here. Okay, so different parts have different features in them, and you can expand those and really get kind of crazy with them. But I wanted to show you all those different basic things. And again, you can edit your tweaks over in the browser. You can add tweaks in the browser. You can include other parts and things like that as